that the Prophet said, خَيْرُكُمْ مَنْ تَعَلَّمَ الْقُرْآنَ وَعَلَّمَهُ. The best among you are those who learn Quran and teach Quran. The best among you. Just search your hearts. If you believe in Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what does it mean? All the professions, all the careers, may it be the medical profession, may it be the engineering profession, or IBM or IBA or MBA, whatever you may do, and whatever career you may adopt, all careers are inferior to the career that the Prophet is declaring, khairukum. This is the best career. Devote yourself. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you intelligence, understanding, well, you devote this intelligence and the faculty of understanding to the understanding of Quran, not only reading it superficially. Dive deep into the meanings of the Quran, because this Quran has everything. فِيهِ نَبَأُ مَا قَبْلَكُمْ وَخَبَرُ مَا بَعْدَكُمْ وَحُكْمُ مَا بَيْنَكُمْ. These are the wordings of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now you have to ponder over it. You have to dive deep into the ocean of its meaning.